Hey, what's up, Faith family? Jarvis Guy and Void Jarvis YT here, and today I'm going to be showing you how to perform an authenticity check on your Casio watch. So today I'm going to be showing you how to perform the check on two particular models of watches. Right here we have the W-218H and the F-91W. All right, so first we're going to start with the F-91W. So the way that you perform an authenticity check on this watch is you hold down the right button. Wait a second, and then it'll show the word Casio and the little grid text right there. So that's how you do it on F91W. Now, the way you perform it on the W218H is a little bit different. To perform the check, you're supposed to use the button that you would use to switch it from PM to 24-hour time. So if we do it right here, you see it's 1838 instead of 630. The way you would do it on this watch is you would hold it on the top left corner. Then hold it. Then you will see the word Casio. So if you try that on any Casio watch and it doesn't do that, then you have a fake watch, and you need to go back to the Joker that sold you that and I guess beat the shit out of him, because there's nothing worse than having a fake Casio watch, unless you're into that type of shit. Although I guess it's more valuable if you have like $600 Casio watches, but yeah, that's how you perform the authenticity check on these watches. Just use whatever button that you would use to change it from PM time to 24-hour time, if we can get the goddamn camera to focus, and then hold it down and you will see the word Casio. So, and that's how you do it. Just thought I'd make this video since that's a really interesting thing I found out today, aside from the fact that you can actually use F91Ws to act as countdown timers for IE fucking Ds. I honestly didn't even know that, and Wikipedia is teaching me some shit that I probably don't need to know about. So yeah, that'll basically wrap up this video. Thank y'all for watching this honestly really weird tutorial that I know that nobody asked for. Yeah, that'll be it for me. Jarvis gotten out. Have a great night.